manufacturing showcase event we put together to introduce our customers not just to our production software, but also to key partners that we work with in the industry. I'm Nick Jones, Manufacturing Manager at Solid Solutions, and our team is geared up to convert things that people design in SolidWorks down onto the shop floor in real life production. So we had a great manufacturing event last year, so we were really excited to do the same thing this year, but making it bigger and better. So we were really pleased that our partners were engaged and committed to come and join us again. And obviously with the turnout of the customers shows a real interest in the products we got to offer.
Hi, I'm Tom. I'm the sales manager at SolidPrint, and we specialise in 3D printing, 3D scanning and desktop manufacturing. It's a great event to be a part of. It really helps to showcase the wide range of manufacturing solutions that the TriMet Group offers, from CAM software through to additive manufacturing and even automation and robotics. It's been great to meet so many of our customers and really learn about their manufacturing needs, as well as showcasing some of the cutting edge technologies from Roboze, Formlabs and 3D systems.
I'm George, I'm a Channel Sales Manager at Roboze, so I work in the UK and I also cover Nordic countries including Norway, Sweden, Finland and Denmark. So this year is my first year at the manufacturing showcasing event hosted by Solid Solutions, SolidPrint 3D and the TriMet Group. So SolidPrint 3D is one of our new resellers in the UK, and I thought it was a great opportunity for us to attend such an event, as we do a lot of work with CNC machining companies. Some of the work that we get involved in is where CNC machining companies might be machining large peak parts in certain geometries where there's a lot of wastage material. It makes more sense to 3D print those kind of geometries.
I think my favourite part of the manufacturing showcase this year is seeing familiar faces from last year and hearing how they got on from what they'd learnt last time, to now moving on and seeing how new features and new technology could solve their future problems, and hopefully we see them again next year.